In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do your Revolut tax fast with Koinly. If you use Revolut for crypto or investments and want a clean, accurate tax summary without hours of spreadsheets, this walkthrough is for you. By the end, you'll have your transactions organized and ready for your return. First, sign up for a Koinly account. Head to the Koinly website and create a new account using your preferred sign-in method. When you're in, set your home country, base currency, and tax year so the calculations match your local rules. Take a moment to check your cost basis method and time zone in settings so gains and income are calculated correctly for where you file. This small setup step avoids a lot of confusion later. If Koinly prompts you with a quick onboarding, follow it and confirm the basics. You don't need to categorize anything manually right now. Koinly will do most of the heavy lifting for you once your data is connected. Next, add your Revolut account inside Koinly. Look for the option to add a new wallet or exchange. Type in Revolut and select it. This tells Koinly to expect data in Revolut's format and prepares it to interpret things like crypto purchases, sales, swaps, card top-ups, and transfers to and from other wallets. Keep your account name simple so you can identify it later, especially if you plan to connect more wallets. Now take the easy route. Choose Koinly's automatic sync for Revolut if it's available in your region. This is the fastest way to pull your transaction history with minimal effort. Authorize the read-only connection and let Koinly import your data. Give it a moment to process. When the sync completes, open the transactions page and scan for any yellow warnings. These often just mean something needs a quick tag, like marking a transfer between your own accounts so it isn't taxed as income. If you see duplicate entries, remove them to keep balances accurate. For interest, staking, or rewards, apply the correct labels so Koinly treats them as income rather than gains. Koinly will automatically match deposits and withdrawals where possible, and fetch market prices for your assets to calculate gains and losses. Once everything looks right, check your portfolio balances to ensure they align with what you see in Revolut. If the numbers match and there are no lingering warnings, you're good to go. Koinly will generate your tax summary and detailed forms tailored to your country, ready for filing or sharing with your accountant. That's it, fast, tidy, and accurate.